I ran into this last week here as well, fixed it for me. Setting up an ESIM on your iPhone can seem daunting, but it's quite straightforward. Here is how to do it with Telus. Step 1. Check compatibility. Make sure your iPhone model supports ESIM. Most iPhones from the iPhone XS and later have this feature. Step 2. Get your ESIM activation code. Contact Telus customer support or log into your Telus account to obtain your ESIM activation code. This usually comes in the form of a QR code. Step 3. Open settings. On your iPhone, go to the Settings app. This is where you will manage your cellular plans. Step 4. Add cellular plan. Tap on cellular and then select Add cellular plan. Use your camera to scan the QR code you received from Telus. Step 5. Label your plan. Once the ESIM is added, you can label it for easy identification, like Telus data. This helps you manage multiple plans if you have them. Remember, if you run into issues scanning the QR code, ensure your camera is clean and that you're in good lighting. Enjoy your new ESIM setup.